Hi everyone, I am Ankil. Welcome back to my channel Technical Tricks. Friends, today I am going to show you how to download BlueStacks 4 emulator for PC. For just open your Chrome browser and click the link in the description. The link will be in the description. Click on it and the site will be opened. Here you can see the download icon. You have to click on this and have to download it. I have already downloaded it. Now I will install. See, it is the folder. I will now open it. It takes some time to open. It depends on your PC performance. It's upgrading. It's asking for update. You have to just update it. I will pause the video until it updates. The installation has been completed. It's opening. See, here we can see BlueStacks opening. In this BlueStacks 4, they say that it is 6 times faster than the Samsung S9 Plus. And we can play all the Android games which we can play in our mobile. I think it will take more time. I will again pass the video. It is completed. Now it is asking for setup Google. We have to connect our Google account with this. Then we can download games from the Google Play. After this, we have to connect our Google account with this. I will pause the video. Okay, the loading has been completed. Now how to give our email here. I will pause the video. Okay, I have entered my email address and password. Now we can see one button. I agree. We have to click on it. Okay, again loading is taking place. Okay. Here we can see the BlueStack has been completed successfully. Here we can see the Play Store. From here we can download any of the games we want. Okay, here we can see the Play Store is opened. You can download anything from here. Now I will download Free Fire. We can play any of the Android games in the PC with the help of this BlueStacks emulator. See Free Fire icon, here it is. I am installing it now. Here we have to click on install for installing the game. See, now the game will start downloading. Game will be started downloading. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.